This is my new peg soap kit. This is my own recipe. It's mostly glycerin mixed with pumice and some calcium carbonate and chalk. You just apply a few strokes to the peg shaft. The chalk is just an extra in case you need slightly more grip. There is a little piece of sandpaper so you can fold it over, and just to remove any of the varnish, just one or two turns, and then you'll find that the chalk or the soap applies a lot easier. This doesn't contain any graphite, but the soap by itself will work to lubricate. The addition of the pumice helps to hold it in place. Usually this is enough by itself. As I say, the chalk is just an extra in case you have a peg that doesn't want to hold in its socket. These are available on my website or on my Etsy shop.